Fresh banana bread. Everybody, I baked this live on my YouTube cooking show earlier on today. It's fresh banana bread with chocolate chips and walnuts. Follow along and see exactly how I baked this one live with a few mishaps when we were baking it as well. Get the old baking apron on. Since we're baking, it gets us in the baking zone. And welcome everyone who's watching the instant replay. But we're getting our banana bread on today. Then maybe a little bit of bacon and eggs. It's Saturday morning. All right, let's get our ingredients going here for this banana bread. Oh my goodness, the biggest. Whew, that just moved the counter. We need our sugar. We'll need some walnuts and chocolate chips, some baking powder, some baking soda. We'll get it all right now. We're gonna need our walnuts and our chocolate chips. So let's get those. Is that walnut or pecan? That's walnut. And check this out today. I picked this bag up on sale, everybody. The chocolate chips. Let's get some oil. We need some little squeeze of vegetable oil. And we've got our eggs back here too. So we've got everything that we need. So let's get rolling. I should be using the other one, but we're here now. We're using what we've got, okay? Baking on this fine Saturday morning. 2 cups in. And we'll get rolling. Delicious banana bread, chocolate chips, walnuts. We just got sugar. That's up next. Flour and sugar. 2 streams here, 2 cameras today. Get all these dry ingredients in there first. And I'm going to go half and half here. Watch this, okay? It's close. Half a cup of white sugar, and we're going to do half a cup of brown sugar. You want it extra sweet, add a little bit more sugar. We need a cup regardless. And we're going to lightly pack here. Lightly pack. Oh, I missed. Darn it. Thankfully, I just cleaned. We're using it. We're not wasting it. Whew. Okay. Half a cup brown sugar. Half a cup brown sugar in. Next up is salt. And we'll bring out our spoons. We don't measure salt though. Some say put in a 1/4 teaspoon, others say put in a full teaspoon. I say put in a pinch, not a punch. A pinch, not a punch. Boom! Baking soda, baking powder. We'll do a half and a 1, okay? Soda. Half. Just a half of one of these. In, we'll go 1 baking powder. Boom! I'm just gonna use what we've got right here. Welcome over there as well. We're baking on this fine Saturday morning. I'm using a smaller bowl. It's a medium-sized bowl. I could have had a larger size bowl, I guess. You know. Let's get the dry stirred up. Then we're gonna add in the oil and the eggs, and then we're gonna fold in the chocolate chips and the walnuts. Okay? So thanks for tuning in today. It's a great banana bread on a Saturday morning, along with some bacon and eggs. It'll be coming after this. Once this is in the oven baking, I'm just greasing the bottom and a little bit of the side. That's it. Okay? And I'll pop that around, just get it on the bottom, around the corners, and that's it. And check this out, okay? Now, my mom told me, make sure you're using extremely ripe bananas. Brown, that's okay. Check these bananas out. I kept these as long as possible, and they're soft, but I want extra banana in there today. 2 really nice ones here. Nice and ripe. Not as ripe, but they're still gonna do, since I've got that sugar and I've got those ones right down there. Now, usually you need 2 to 3 medium-sized bananas. I'm using 4 here. And I was thinking of tossing in the 5th. Let's see how ripe that is. Quality control. Delicious banana. Let's mash them. We'll smash them and mash them. Yeah, those ones at the bottom, nice and ripe. So last week's banana bread I found wasn't sweet enough, didn't have enough banana flavor. So we've got extra bananas that are extra ripe on a couple of them anyways. That should help. And we're gonna add in the walnuts and the chocolate chips. So we're gonna make a rockin' banana. Now, we've got that ready. Let's get some power. Make a little well here. Let's crack right on the side, and hopefully no shells today. One, I think I just saw a shell. Yeah, I did, right there. We got it though. We don't want the banana bread crunchy by any means. Number 2. Good. We actually made it no shells. We're making progress out here, okay? Let's get our oil in. I used a half a cup of oil right there. And let's blend. Let's blend. Make it soothing. Once I get this incorporated, I'm going to add in the bananas. And then I'm going to add in the chocolate chips and the walnuts. Chocolate chips and walnuts are next. But we can't forget that star of the show, the bananas. Okay. We start it up. Let's get our bananas. All these nice mashed bananas. Bring it together. We don't need too much in terms of mixing and folding. Get everything nice and incorporated. But it's just bringing it together. We don't need too much mixing here. Have a nice thick batter. It's all well combined. Look at that. Banana bread pretty much done, just like that, in a matter of minutes. Incredible. Nice. Right there. Press those off. So we need our star of the show. Walnuts, chocolate chips. Some say measure with your heart. I say measure with your stomach. You want to taste it good. Measure with what it's going to do to your brain and your mind and all that sugar. Add more in there. Walnuts. Instead of a pinch, we're going to do a punch of the walnut, okay? There. That's how much walnut is going in. But our chocolate chips, the Big Balbowski. Let's do the same. Let's just measure just like this. Who needs a half a cup when you can do a punch, okay? There. That's about a half a cup. That's about a half a cup. Boom! And a few more. And a few more. Just like that. There we go. Let's call that about a third of a cup. Oh, what the hell. A few extra. Now we can fold everything in. Bring it all together. Nice. Walnuts, chocolate chips. Banana bread. Fresh banana bread. Nice. Nice, nice. Not too much. We don't need too much folding after all that mixing with the hand mixer. Let's get it all in there. It's going to be a massive banana bread, okay? Let's go here. We'll get it all. We did all the work to mix it. We better get it all out of the bowl. Now, I looked at a whole bunch of different banana bread recipes, and guess what? They're pretty much all the same. People try and change a quarter cup here, a quarter cup there. They're always close to the same. They're going to try and put their own twist on it. I looked at them. I compared. Look, there we go. Round, few nice one. There we go. In the oven. I'm confident in this tray. Oh. Come on. Come on. I'm going to try and hold it up. Oh, one arm holding that banana bread up there. Holding that banana bread up there too on that camera. Woo! We better, just to be on the safe side. We're good. Show me clean. Okay. Okay. Through this banana bread here. Okay.